How to find favorites on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. On this page, go to the Collections section at the bottom. Over here, scroll down and go to the Utilities section. From the list, find the Favorites album and tap on it. You can view all your favorite photos and videos over here. Now, go back and open up the Safari app. Once you're here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the three dots. Then, tap on the bookmarks icon. Go to the Folders section and tap on Favorites. On this page, you can view your favorite bookmarks. After that, go back and open up the Phone app. Tap on the Favorites icon at the bottom left corner. You can view all your favorite contacts over here. Following these steps, you can easily find favorites on iPhone.